Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off today, I think I'm going to pull my bumpers, take them down to the body shop that fixed my brother-in-law's Lexus and get these bumpers redone. This one and the one for Red Baron, and get those taken down, fixed up, brought back and installed. So let me see how difficult that's going to be. I don't think it's bad. I'm just going to take the skin off and take the top part of the bumper off. I might even get rid of this crease on Panther. Turn this into a show car. Let me check the one on Red Baron. See how bad that bumper skin is. It's got a cut in it. Can't use that one. I'll have to use the one that's on there. So let me get the paint code off of that. I think it's 608 on Red Baron. Get this cracking. Uh-oh. The paint code on Red Baron is 609. I've been calling that 08. I gotta get that right in my head. 609. The other red for those cars is 601. So that ought to be easier for me. They're both odd numbers. There it is. Got the bumper back off of Panther. Taking it into the shop to be rebuilt again. First time it didn't last long. Got up to some high-speed cruising and it all came apart. These people said they're going to put some fiberglass behind it. Hopefully that one will do better. So let's see how this goes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate the bumper skin of the 850 vehicles. The front bumper skin. The easiest way I found to do it, once you remove the corner rivet, is to go inside from where you see these tabs here. On the outside, you stick a screwdriver in that seam and pry it down. Let me go over here. We already got some going. So we got the next tab about right here. We go under right here and we just pry it out. And just work your way around. All the way around the bumper. Probably got one right here is next. Takes two hands, unfortunately. See, got another one out. Try not to dig too deep into the plastic. I have that other R bumper skin out for Red Baron. Take this torn rim down the salvage and keep it moving. I am at Earth Day Recycling. Just weighed one of my Titans, the one that gets split up in Flagstaff, 23 pounds. He wrote me a slip. See how much change I'll get from that. 23 pounds. And I'll probably bring a cylinder head down here that weighs about the same. So if I get 15 bucks out of this, well, I'll be thrilled. Probably get about 7 or 8. Let's see. Finally did something with that wheel since I couldn't get it fixed. 50 cents a pound. $11.50. Isn't that awesome? If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.